Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to hide your name in a WhatsApp group. All right, so let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is copy a blank character. Over here, you can copy this character. After that, open up the WhatsApp application on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Then, tap on the three dots at the top right corner if you are using Android, or go to Settings if you are using iPhone. Over here, tap on your profile, then tap on the name to edit your name. After that, delete your current name and paste the blank character you copied. Then, make sure to remove any extra symbols like the arrow and leave only the blank character. After that, tap OK to save the changes. Over here, your name will now appear as blank to anyone who does not have you saved as a contact. However, people who have saved your number will still see your name. So that's basically how you can hide your name in a WhatsApp group. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.